So this is an original Commodore 64. This is the power supply that I built to run it. I have an original power supply, but this one here is safer. It's got the original transformer out of a power supply that I tore apart. There's another video on that. I have an SD2IC IEC there that has an SD card in it, and it emulates being a floppy drive and gives me storage. I have a Wemos here temped in through an edge connector in the user port, and I'm running CCGMS on off of the SD card, so I can reset the and this is the thing that I learned. Once you flash this with your modem software, if you reset it, it'll send the ID for it. Takes a second to boot up. All right, now it's connected, and we can just hit our auto dialer. We can go to let's load up. We'll load up particles. I'm gonna select it, hit C, connect to it. I'm in 1200 baud mode too, by the way, on that. Error. That's kind of strange. It's connected. Full. All right, let's try the high desert then. All right. There you go, connected to the high desert BBS. That's on a Commodore system, powered by Commodore. Y'all have a good day.